Are you looking for emails for your business that actually convert? Luckily, there's templates for this. There's a deal that's going on right now that does exactly that. It provides email templates that you can use right away that actually convert. Plus, it has a feature where you respond to some questions and it provides you email templates based on those questions that it just asked you. So it's pretty cool that we have this feature. What I'm going to do is in this video, I'm going to show you what the deal actually is and how it actually works to see if it's right for you or not. So let's go check it out. Alright, so the deal that I'm talking about is called Email Writer, and it's only $59 for the lifetime deal. That means you pay once and use forever. If you guys want to grab that deal, that link will be in the description. So for the $59, you get access to practically the whole platform. You can create unlimited follow-up emails, create unlimited custom email sequences, and just use the features on Email Writer. So easy, straightforward deal, no limitations, no stackings, and no other type of licenses. So let me show you the Email Writer platform. Okay, this is the Email Writer dashboard. To get started, all we have to do is go into create a new project. There's two types of projects, custom sequence and DFY. Custom sequence is the one where it's asking you questions, you respond them, and it provides email templates based on those answers that you just provided. DFY means that there's templates already made and you grab them and then you fine tune them to use them. Let's get started with custom sequence. And first of all, we can select the industry that they are providing. They are adding more as time goes on, okay? So you have to read through these and see what fits more to what you need. For example, there's self-help, real estate, weight loss emails, dating and relationship, webinar emails, SaaS emails, and just select what you need, okay? For example, this could be a popular one, B2B SEO agency, okay? Respond to the first one, then select the type of email that you want. Prospecting email, inquiry reply emails, referral request emails, testimonial request emails. So we're gonna prospect, okay? Let's go ahead and create an email. Let's give our email a name, well, our project actually. And now it's going to ask me questions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them out and then I'm gonna show you the output. So give me a minute. Okay, now I just responded to the questions that I've been asked, and let's go and create email sequence. Takes a few seconds. And there we go. Okay, now we have this email template based on the answers that we just provided. The series topic, summary, description, email sequence 1. And these are obviously meant so we can modify them to whatever we need. So we have to fine tune them. Okay. For example, email sequence 1, all right? Email sequence 2. It's right in the name that I just provided. Again, I would recommend these to become variables because when you use these in your email marketing service, it's gonna grab the variable, for example, full name, first name, last name, and we can use those variables so we don't have to do those later on. So for example, if I wanted to write a variable, I would say, for example, first name, because I know that's what my email marketing service is using. So I just fine tune that to what I need. And then I go through what it just provided me, okay? And I would say, hey, you know what? This is fine. I'm ready to go and use it. Or I need to fine tune this. For example, right here's the business type. It's a variable. I can use this variable if it's something I'm using on my email marketing service. If not, obviously I would type in this manually. But the idea is that you're getting these email templates that we can modify and see if we're going to use them. Email sequence 3, here's another one that we can use. Again, you have to read these, see if the output is what you're looking for. If not, you can go back and start again with the questions that just provided and see if you can get other emails. Email 4, this is email 4, okay? Now, these are better written email templates than most people would do. For example, in my case, I'm just too straightforward when I'm writing my emails. So using one of these templates makes sense, okay? Email subject 5, here's another one. And you can do other things with these. For example, if I want to do a collaboration, I can send this out to my team members, the person who's in charge of sending out emails, my virtual assistant, and I can send them out these sequence so they start using them. If I want to translate this email, we have these options available. For example, there's all these languages that we can translate our emails. And let's just go ahead and really quickly, where is that? SSS, Spanish. All right, and there we go. They just updated. All of these has been updated to the language that I'm using. Obviously, I have to check these out, see if it was translated correctly, and also fine tune it again. But we have that option, and we can update changes to save these. So this email sequence has been saved. If we want to use it later on, you don't have to generate it every single time. So we see our saved emails right here. Here's the one I already created before this, and this is one I've just created right now. So we have these ready to use later on, okay? Now let's go into the DFY sequence. These are the DFY sequence. Let's choose for, I don't know, something different. Health and fitness, all right? View your email. Let's give this project a name, test 2. Let's go ahead and continue. And here it is. Now they've written. Again, it has these variables that we can use our own, so we can use it later on. But these are emails that are ready to use by just fine tuning them to your niche or your business, okay? Obviously, there's going to be things that probably you don't provide that service, or you provide other services and you want to fine tune that in these email sequences and add them to here, okay? So you have all these email sequences, and again, we can save these and discard. If I save it, it's gonna add it to my, let's go back to dashboard. Here, last saved emails. It's just been added right here, the one I've just created, to use it later on my email marketing service. We can view our saved projects, personal scripts. So if I want to create a script, save scripts again. Construct template. If you want to make your own templates, we can do that also. Oh, that's just to add the category. Script templates. So if I add a script template, I create my own. So select category. You create those beforehand over here. Construct template. Name, description, and started. Let's just say test 3, testing. Continue. Okay, and here we go. I construct my template right here. And we can also use variables right here, okay? Add a variable, what we want to use it for, the label, the variable, the example formula, and the example value. So we know what we're going to use that variable for, okay? Custom email request, if you want to request an email, this has a price that's not included. So that's there. My profile, my contact information, and that's about it for now for the email writer. Let me show you the roadmap so you know what's coming soon. For example, email writer. This is live and this is in progress, okay? So it's going to integrate with VivOut, which is a past deal that was going on. Addition of multiple users accounts, autoresponder integration, and additional standalone script. This is going to be interesting. Autoresponder integration. I like that one. Why am I reading this wrong? Addition of new industries and email types, scripts for community onboarding, addition of new email scripts to existing industries. So they're adding more templates to this, and Pabbly integration. That's going to be a good one also. I'm yet to find out what that integration is going to do. If it's going to send out these email templates automatically via Pabbly Connect to use in other email marketing services, or the other way around. Are we going to input the users from over there and use them over here on Email Writer? Don't know yet. Let's find out what they're going to do. But basically, that is the deal for Email Writer. Like I mentioned before, it's only $59 for the lifetime deal. If you guys want to grab it, do help me out by using that link in the description. It provides me a small commission, and it's not gonna cost you a single cent more. What it's gonna cost you there, that's what it's gonna cost anyways. So I can keep on making these videos for you guys. Well, I thank you all for watching. My name's George. This is SaaS Master, and I'll see you guys later.